Welcome to my channel. Cox Router IP Login Problem Solve. Quick Fix 2026. 1. Confirm your router's default IP address. Most Cox routers use 192.168.0.1, 192.168.1.1, or 192.168.100.1 for some models. Try each one in your browser address bar. 2. Connect only to the Cox router network. Make sure your phone, PC is connected to Cox Wi-Fi or via LAN cable. You can't access the login page from another network, 192.168.1.1, or 192.168.100.1 for some models. Try each one in your browser address bar. 3. Use a different browser or private window. Open Chrome right pointing arrow new incognito window and enter the IP. This bypasses cache issues. 4. Restart the router, soft reboot. Unplug for 10 to 15 seconds right pointing arrow, plug back in right pointing arrow, wait 2 minutes. This refreshes the admin panel access. 5. Disable VPN, proxy temporarily. VPN may block local IP access. Turn off VPN, proxy, firewall apps before login. 6. Clear browser cache. Go to browser settings right pointing arrow, clear cache and cookies right pointing arrow, try login again. 7. Try logging in using LAN cable. Connect your PC directly to the Cox router with an Ethernet cable. This gives more stable access to the login page. 8. Check for IP conflict. If multiple routers, extenders are connected, IP conflict may occur. Disconnect extra devices and retry. 9. Reset admin credentials. If password wrong, press and hold reset for 10 seconds right pointing arrow, router reboots right pointing arrow. Default login credentials will work again. 10. Factory reset. If login page still not loading, hold reset button for 10 to 15 seconds right pointing arrow, set up again using Cox portal or router login page. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.